Hello everyone, my name is Samiksha Khampatkar and I am here in this video to explain few questions related to Unix and the topic STTY command in Unix. So let's start. My first question is, how do you link all C source files in the current directory and place the links in another directory bar? So, in order to link all the C source files in the current directory and to replace the links in another directory bar, we use the command ln space star dot c space bar. ln in this command, ln basically is used for linking, and star dot c indicates that all these files include the dot c source files, and bar is another directory. So for linking, we can for linking C source files we can use ln space star dot c space bar command. Now the next question is, state whether the following are true or false. The first one is, the rm command removes only a hard link but not a symbolic link. So this statement is false. The rm command, which is a remove command, removes both the hard link and soft link. Now the second one is, a symbolic link has the same inode number as the file it is linked to. So this statement is also false, as a symbolic link has a separate inode number to the file which is linked to. So now our third question is, how do you link foo1 to foo2 using a hard link? Here foo1 indicates file 1 and foo2 indicates another file 2. So here we are asked to link foo1 with foo2 using a hard link. So for linking we use ln. So for linking through a hard link, we enter the command ln space foo1 space foo2. Using this command, we can link two files using a hard link. Now the second one is through a symbolic link. So for linking foo1 to foo2 with a symbolic link, we use the command ln space minus s space foo1 space foo2. Using this command, we can link foo1 to foo2 using a symbolic link. Now the another one question is, if you delete foo2, does it make any difference? So if we delete the hard link foo2, the link count drops to 1 and the file exists. Deleting the symbolic link foo2 removes only the link but not the main file. The main file still exists. Now our next question is, how can you make out whether the two files are copies or links? So we use the ls-i command and see whether they have the same inode number or not. It also quite possible that the two files which are there in two separate file system can have the same inode number. So it may be quite confusing that whether they are copies or link. So for this we can use the cmp, which is which is for comparison. So using the cmp command, we can compare whether they are separate or single, yeah, means they are copies or links. So our next question is, what do you do to make sure that no one is able to see the name of the files you have? So in order to make sure that no one is able to see the name of the files we have to remove the read permission from the directory for others. Unix give us freedom that we can give the permissions, right, for read, write, executable for the files we have. So by removing the read permission from the files from the directory, no other user can see a file's names without our permission. So here we end with the questions. Now I am going to explain the command stty of Unix. So here's the command stty. STTY basically displays and sets terminal characteristics. STTY command in Linux is used to change and print terminal line settings. Basically, this command shows or changes terminal characteristics. So, by this point, we can conclude that STTY command basically changes or prints and shows the terminal line settings. Basically, this command also changes terminal characteristics. The STTY command sets terminal input output options for the device that is the current standard input. If used without arguments, the STTY command reports the current settings and options. So we conclude that STTY command is basically for terminal input output options, and it shows the output whether for the terminal settings. If STTY command is used without arguments, it basically reports or gives the output of the current settings and options. The STTY command can be used with arguments or without arguments. So here is some of the options, or we can say arguments, we can use with STTY command. The standard option used with STTY command is -a. -a basically write to standard output all of the option settings for the terminal. Here, in place of -a, we can also use -all. This option also prints all the current settings in the human readable form. So it is upon on our choice that whether to use -a or -all. Like for example, here we can see STTY -a command is given as input, and as output we can see many of the terminal settings are given. Like for interrupt key, we can see the for interrupt key is Control C. For quit it is Control \. For erase it is Control %. And for kill it is Control U. All of these settings are shown when we give the command STTY -a. It shows all the settings which are there in the system as a human readable form. So any user can see whether any user can see all the settings present. Now through STTY command we can also change some of the settings. So here is some of the examples. So for changing the settings, like whether we should have backspace or not. Like when we use backspace, mainly the characters are erased, but we can have whether we can have the choice whether we want this or not. So we can set these settings using the echo. Sometimes we notice that backspacing over character sometimes remove it from sight and sometimes doesn't, and this is decided by the keyword echo. By using the command STTY space echo, we can change the settings whether we can have the option whether we can have the option for backspacing or not, whether we use backspace the character should erase or not. So we can use echo command with STTY. And we also reverse this setting by using a prefix minus in front of echo. Like see STTY space minus echo, which, and when we input this command, and now when we use backspacing, it doesn't remove a character from sight. So through this we can change our settings in our terminal on our system. Now the next one is entering a password through a shell script echo. The echo setting has to be manipulated to let shell programs accept a password like string that must not be displayed on the screen. STTY echo is used for this. Echo simply display the string we use as input for the monitor screen. we can we have the option whether to show this string or not. Through echo we can do this, and we can also reverse it. As usual, by default the option is turn on in the system, but we can also reverse it by using minus in front of echo, as we have seen further. Stty space minus echo. Use with after entering this command, when we entry keyboard uh, enter key through keyboard, we can see it is not echoed. So we can also hide or show this the strings we like, where to the other users or not. Another thing is changing the interrupt key, intr. STTY also sets the functions for some of the keys. For instance, if we like to use Ctrl C as the interrupt key instead of delete, we have to use STTY space intr space backslash caret C. So through this command, we can have Ctrl C as the interrupt key instead of delete. Here, the keyword intr is followed by a space, and then the backslash, and then a caret, and finally the character C. This is the way STTY indicates to the system that the interrupt character is Control C. Next one is changing the end of file key, EOF. When using mailx, we use Control D to terminate input. This EOF character is also selectable instead of Control D. You can use Control A as the EOF character. So using the command stty space EOF slash caret A. So through this command, now Control A will terminate input for those commands that accept input from the keyboard when invoked in a particular way. Now the next is when everything else fails, we use sane. Sometimes it happens that another user has changed the settings and we don't know what settings he has changed. So what we can do, how we can operate the system. So we use sane command. So stdweb also provides another argument to set the terminal characteristics to values that will work on most of the terminals. We use the word sane as a single argument to the command. By using the command stty space sane, we can reset the settings as done by the system. Now we can use a system efficiently. So these are some of the things I have explained here. I hope it all liked by you, and I have explained it very much and with very efficient manner. So thank you everyone.